Imagine a world where every cut is perfect, where every DIY project takes shape with precision and elegance. It is in this world that the HM216SPX2 radial miter saw from Scheppach is situated, a revolution in the realm of DIY. It's not just a tool, it's the ideal partner for those who refuse to compromise on the quality of their work. From the very first moments, its promise is clear: to transform every project into a masterpiece. If you are interested, feel free to click the link in the description now to learn more about its unique features, see hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers, and order yours today. This radial miter saw is the ideal tool for demanding DIYers and professionals seeking precision, flexibility, and efficiency in their wood and plastic cutting projects. Its ease of use and portability make it a perfect choice for everyone, from the enthusiast enhancing their home workshop to the professional optimizing their workspace. At the heart of this promise is a powerful 2000 watts motor powered by a voltage of 230 volts, capable of driving the blade at a speed of 4800 revolutions per minute. Imagine the precision and sharpness of the cuts you can achieve with such power at your disposal. But this is just the beginning. This radial miter saw is equipped with a 210mm HW saw blade, offering not only an impressive cutting width of 34 cm, but also a cutting height of 65 cm. Whether you are working with soft or hardwood or even common plastics, this saw knows no limits. But the real magic happens with its innovative features. The adjustable rotating table from 45 degrees to plus 45 degrees allows for unmatched flexibility in your projects. Bevel cuts are a piece of cake. Add to this the bevel capacity and a blade that can tilt up to 45 degrees to the left, and you achieve millimeter precision in every cut. Ensured by an integrated laser that guides your hand with infallible accuracy. And guess what? You can own this product with just one click on the link in the description and see hundreds of reviews from extremely satisfied customers. Don't be fooled. Despite its power and precision, this radial miter saw also excels in ease of use and safety. With a large handle and robust blade protection, it ensures a comfortable and secure grip. The extendable side table accommodates the longest pieces, ensuring their stability during cutting thanks to an integrated clamp. But what about mobility? Here again, Scheppach has thought of everything. A die-cast aluminum chassis gives the saw lightness and portability without sacrificing its stability. Whether you are a passionate DIYer or a professional, this radial miter saw adapts to your workspace, ready to be moved or stored according to your needs. Complete with two carbide blades, one with 24 teeth for rough cuts and the other with 48 teeth for fine finishes, this technological gem is ready to take on any challenge. Every component, every detail has been designed to optimize your working experience and ensure results of exceptional quality. So don't miss the opportunity to click on the link in the description to learn more about these unique features. Order it now at the best price and revolutionize your daily life. Now, let's recap its advantages as well as its disadvantages. Advantage number 1, portability and lightness. Easy to transport and arrange thanks to its die-cast aluminum chassis. Advantage number 2, flexibility of cuts. Ability to perform a wide range of bevel and longitudinal cuts thanks to the rotating table and the tilting blade. Advantage number 3, precision. The presence of an integrated laser allows for extremely precise cuts, reducing errors and material waste. Advantage number 4, power. With a 2000 watts motor and a speed of 4800 revolutions per minute, it can easily handle a variety of materials. Advantage number 5, safety. Equipped with a large handle and blade protection for safe operation. Advantage number 6, accessories included. Delivered with 2 blades for different cutting finenesses. Now let's move on to its few disadvantages. Disadvantage number 1, complexity for beginners. Despite its ease of use, the learning curve can be steeper for those who have never used a miter saw. So tell me, why wait? If perfection in every cut is what you are looking for, the HM216SPX2 radial miter saw from Scheppach is your answer. Don't miss this opportunity to turn your projects into achievements that you will be proud of. Click on the link in the description to order yours at the best price, discover more details about its features, and read the hundreds of reviews from satisfied customers. Your workshop will thank you.